morning students. So in last video we saw write A in each middle square. Means in middle of the square we have to write A and find the meaningful words. So we have found that BAG bag, CAT cat, JAM jam, FAT fat. Means all in middle of these squares. The middle we have wrote A letter, that is the A letter is giving soundful or meaningful meaning to these words. Means bag is a thing and it is a meaningful word. So A is a vowel. We have seen one vowel in last video, that is A, and in this video we are going to see the remaining vowels. So that are E, I, O and U. Write E, I, O and U in proper boxes. So vowels are giving proper meaning to anything. Means names, things, places and anything that is having its name, vowels are giving them meaning. Without vowels there is no meaning to that word. Okay. So first of all we are going to see I. Okay. Write I in proper boxes. Okay, we are going to write the I word in the proper boxes. If we wrote I in this box, B and Y, अगर हम इन दोनों के बीच में अगर I लेटर लिखेंगे तो क्या मीनिंग होगा? BIY, इस वर्ड का कोई मीनिंग है? नो. सो इफ वी राइट P in middle of P and N letter, if we write I letter, that is a meaningful word. PIN, पिन. पिन का मीनिंग होता है, तो उस पिन ये मीनिंगफुल वर्ड तैयार हुआ आई लेटर से. मीन्स प्रॉपर बॉक्सेस जो मीनिंगफुल वर्ड जैसे तैयार होंगे वहीं पे लिखना है. सो आफ्टर दैट देर इज अनदर लेटर T and N. If and these boxes are attached to each other. So if we wrote I in these middle of these squares or boxes, the meaningful word first meaningful word is pin and another is tin, TIN, tin. And after this pin and tin, these are meaningful word, we are going to see U. Write U in proper boxes. If we wrote U in this box in middle of C and W, CUW, that is a meaningful word? No, there is no meaning of this word CUW. If we wrote U here in middle of F and N letters, fun is a meaningful word. Fun means maja, masti. Okay, so if we wrote U in middle of this, where there is meaningful word FUN, fun, and BUN, bun. Okay. So we have seen U, and after that we are going to see O. If we wrote O in middle of this F and N letters, FON, there is no meaning of this word. And if we wrote in middle of this square in this box BOY, boy, and COW, cow. Okay, boy and cow, these are meaningful word. Correct? After that we are going to see E. We have written here DEN, den, and PEN, pen. Both are meaningful words. So we have seen A, E, I, O and U sounds in the middle of these words. So these are giving sounds to these words. If we didn't wrote anything, means अगर हमने A, I, O, E या U इन सब वर्ड्स के बीच में से इनके मिडल से हमने निकाल दिया, हटा दिया, तो इन वर्ड्स का कुछ मीनिंग होगा? इन वर्ड्स को कोई साउंड होगा? नो. सो दीज आर दी साउंड्स फॉर दीज words. Understood? Now we are going to see the match the pair. Read the words and join each one to its starting sound. Starting sound means the word starts from V, A, S, E. Word start from V. Another word which start from V. अगर हमको पहले इस लाइन में देखना है कि यहाँ पे V से स्टार्ट होने वाला एक वर्ड है. ओके, अब यहाँ से वास. अब इस लाइन में हमको दूसरी मैच द पेयर करनी है, तो दूसरी लाइन में हमको ढूंढना है कि वो वी से स्टार्ट होने वाला दूसरा वर्ड कहाँ है? HAT हैट, वी से स्टार्ट हो रहा है? नो. DOLL डॉल, इट इज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम वी? नो. VAN वैन, वैन इज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम वी लेटर. ओके, सो हमने यहाँ पे वास और वैन दोनों को ज्वाइन कर दिया. देन हाउस, HOUSE, हाउस. अब H से स्टार्ट होने वाला वर्ड स्टार्ट में ही है, HAT हैट, तो उन दोनों को ज्वाइन कर दिया. आफ्टर दैट DUCK, डक. Here DOLL doll, though both are starting with D and we have joined them. YELL yell, YOLK yoke. So these words are starting from Y, we have joined them. ROPE, rope, rope and RING ring. Both are starting from R, so we have joined them. After that, lastly, TREE tree and TAP tap. Both are starting with T. So जिस लेटर से जो वर्ड स्टार्ट हो रहा है और इस लाइन में जिस लेटर से जो वर्ड स्टार्ट हो रहा है उन दोनों को क्या करना है? ज्वाइन करना है. तो लास्ट में tree spelling is starting from T and tap spelling is also starting from T. So both are similar starting word, starting sound. So therefore we have joined them. So this was the match the pair and these are the words. Today's homework is to write the words down. Okay. Thank you.